Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a mockup in Canva. Well, the first step would be to create a new design, and we are looking for a logo. Here, you can import a design or create one, but in my case, I will use a template to make this as fast as possible. Once you have the design finished, click on the background and delete it. Okay, now go to Share, Download, and download it in PNG, that's important. Now, once downloaded, go to Google and search for Smart Mockups. Here, in Upload Image, upload the Canva design. And if you scroll down, you will see that there are many mockups. Just choose the one you like the most. In my case, it will be this one. And automatically, the design will be applied on the t-shirt. Here, you can make some adjustments. And now you can download it. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like and a subscription. Thanks for watching.